Welcome to the summer 2024 Data 10 Computer Fundamentals course. This is a 3-week course, so you will have to spend a lot of time completing the exercises in 3 weeks. So let's go to the course. I know many of us are new to Brightspace, and this is how the course should look like when you log in, or you could click on to go and change the view to see it as a list. You could also see the list like this. So let's go into one by one. Faculty information and course outline for you to download is available here. So you could click on this, and my email is here, and my name is Daniel Lazarus. My office hours are from Tuesday to Thursday, 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. We do not have a regular classes for this course, so you will have to complete all the work by yourself. If you have any questions, please contact me by email, and I will send you a Zoom link where we could meet. And if you have any questions, you could do that. Okay. So make sure that you send me an email requesting a link, and I could send you a Zoom link for my office hours. Okay. Then the course outline is available here to download. If you see here, you could click on that and download and read through it. This is the contract for this course, student contract. So go through the course outline, what are the topics we cover, and the course is for 3 weeks. Okay. Right. And the course schedule also has the calendar at the end of it. If you click on this is your course outline. If you take a look, it talks about all the information needed for this course, and then it also gives you the 3-week schedule, what we will be learning, and it also tells you the assessments, and it also gives you the information about the 3 weeks. Okay. So there are 3 weeks starting from June 3rd all the way up to June 26th. The final exam will be held on the week of June 23rd to 26th any day. Okay. I'll have to find out from the registrar. So week 1, 2, and 3. First week we'll be doing Microsoft Excel, and we'll be learning the first 4 chapters in the SimNet book. Okay. And then the second week we will be doing Microsoft Word and doing chapters 6 through 9 in the Computer Essentials book. And week 3 will be doing Microsoft Access and the rest of the chapters until chapter 13. Okay. So to buy this book, you have to go on to your Brightspace class. I've given you a link on there. See, buy your books here. This is the next tab. You can click on buy your books here. I've given you a link. When you click on this, it takes you to the BCC bookstore or Academos, and you could click on this book and buy it. Okay. If you want to search by the course and find out, you could click on this, or you could click find another course, Spring 2024. You could select Business Information Systems and select Data 10 Computer Essentials 101, and then click on this. It will also give you the same book. Okay. It's a package. It will consist of Microsoft Office 365 and Computer Essentials 2021 book. Okay. See, this book is a package of 2 books. Both of them are electronic books. You will not receive physical books. So as soon as you buy the book, you could get access to it on SimNet. Okay. I have given you a separate video instruction on how to sign up for SimNet. You could take a look at this here. If you go to buy your books here, it tells you how to, there's a video I have created on how to sign up for SimNet. Click on that. You could click on this link as well. Okay. And it takes you to SimNet. Once when you sign up to SimNet, you'll be able to see all these assignments here. First week, you'll be completing Excel chapter 1, 2, 3, and 4. And at the end of the week, you will have exam in Excel. You have 2 exercises to complete. These 2 exercises will only be available to you on Friday and Saturday and Sunday. It will not be available throughout the week. So first you have to complete the 4 chapters before doing the 2 exams. Exam 1, there are 2 exercises in that. Each exercises will have 2 attempts on that. Okay. In order to do the chapters, you have to click on this and then do your reading. If you click on this, you'll be able to do all your readings. You could complete all your readings and then complete your practice exercises. It's called pause and practice 1-1, 1-2, 1-3, and 1-4. All the 4, you have to complete them, and then you will have to submit them on week 1. There is a drop box here. If you go on week 1, here it says SimNet Excel exercises Dropbox. So create a folder, copy all the 4 files into that folder, zip it or compress it, and submit only one file here in the Dropbox. And that Dropbox should have your name and say Excel files. So that's the week 1. The first task is you sign up to SimNet, buy the books, sign up to SimNet, and access the chapters and complete it. Okay. The second task for you will be to complete your discussions. There are 2 discussions. Discussion 1 is a class introduction video. You could create a video of yourself introducing to your classmates, talk about what is your major, a general 2-minute video or audio presentation that you could submit here as an attachment. So click on this and just submit your attachment. Let the subject line be your name so that everybody know what your name is, and then submit it as an attachment. Again, you have another discussion. Please read chapters 1 and 2 from the Computer Essentials book, and then you will be able to do the discussion here. Click on this and then say create a new thread and then put your discussion on there. Okay. All right. The way that you access your books is sign into SimNet. Once again, if you click on this, it takes you to SimNet and you will be able to sign up. If you have not signed up, please sign up. And if you have already signed up, you could click on and select this class. Okay. For example, you may, if you are not able to see this class, you see any other class like say Spring 2023 or Spring 2024 or any other course, all you have to do is click on this select another class and select the Summer 2024 class. Then you'll be able to see this. I know some students call me and say, Professor, I'm not able to see any of the projects here because you are not in the correct class. So make sure when you sign up, or even if you don't sign up, select the correct class from here and you'll be able to see all the projects. Okay. So week 1, you complete Excel 4 chapters and complete the 2 exercises on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. This is your exam for Excel. This is class exam 1. That is 15% of your total grade. Okay. All the SimNet exercises are 15% for Excel, 10% for Word, and 10% for Access. Okay, that's where you have to complete all your work. This is exam 2, available only on the second week on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, week 3, you will have an exam on multiple choice questions. For you to practice, I have also given you some practice exams. For example, week 1, if you click on week 1, it gives you a list of all the tasks that you have to do in this 1 week. Okay, it is a compressed or an accelerated course, so you will have to spend at least around 4 to 6 hours for this course throughout the week. Okay, so this is the Dropbox for the Excel exercises you complete on SimNet, and this is your practice exam. So I told you could click on, to access the files, you could click on your library on SimNet, and then you will see Computer Essentials 2021 and Microsoft Office 365. These are the 2 books that we'll be using for our course here. Okay, I do teach a lot of other courses, so I have a lot more books. You may also have some other books, but make sure you have Computer Essentials 2021 on Microsoft Office 365. Okay, yes, and then you go on to the week 1. If you see, you could take a practice test after you read the chapters 1 through 4 from the Computer Essentials book, meaning you click on the library, click on Computer Essentials 2021 and read through these 4 chapters. Once again, this is an ebook. You could click on this and start reading. Okay, if you click on this, you can start reading the book. You can skip page by page and start reading your book. Okay, right. The next thing for this week is that at the end of the week, you will have to do your exam. Okay, so this practiced exam is not graded, or the grade is not added to your final grade. It is just a practice exam. Okay, however, on week 3, you will have a practice exam covering chapters 1 through 8 or 1 through 10 rather. So that is chapters 1 through 10 for your class exam 3. Okay, there are totally 3 class exams. First class exam is Excel exam on SimNet. Week 2, you have class exam 2, which is Word exam on SimNet. And class 3 will be a theory exam with multiple choice questions and true or false on week 3, consisting of chapters 1 through 10. Okay, so that's the course outline. If you do have any questions, please feel free to to send me an email. I'll be happy to meet with you during the office hours. Once again, there is no regular classes, so you will have to complete the work using the videos I have given you. Okay, I've given you the guide videos. So if you click on this, you could click on the guide videos here. Okay, when you click on this, it takes you to a playlist of all Excel videos. I have worked out every single pause and practice exercises and recorded them here for your benefit. So you just have to play this video and you'll have to complete the exercise and submit them in the Dropbox on week 1 here. Okay, so the link for the videos are here. You can click them here, and if you have not signed up to SimNet, there is a video instruction here how to sign up for SimNet. You can only sign up to SimNet once, so if you've already signed up, please use the same username and password. Okay, if you have any issues with your book, please call the McGraw-Hill, or there's a number here that you can contact them. You can contact the student help page, or if you buy the book, they will give you a number to contact in the receipt email. Okay, so good luck everybody. Once again, not having a book is not an excuse for not completing your work. So you will have to have the book right on day 1. It's only a 3-week course. You need to have the access to the books on SimNet on day 1. Okay, everyone. So once again, welcome. This is a 3-week Data 10 course. If you have any questions, please send me an email. My contact information is here and the course outline is here. And if you want to buy the books, click on this and click on each week for instruction. Each week, there are 2 discussions to complete, pause and practice exercises, and an exam to complete at the end of this week. Okay, so good luck, everyone. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Okay, you could also see it could be different views. If you have a different view, that's also fine, but it is all the same content in the class. Okay, good luck, everybody. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me.